Welcome to Marco Island, where every day is a vacation. We have beaches, boating, and the sun is always shining. Step into luxury with this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home featuring an open, split floor plan that maximizes space and privacy. The heart of the home is the remodeled kitchen, boasting elegant white Shager cabinets, gleaming quartz countertops, and top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances. Enjoy the spacious living area with high-volume ceilings and new hurricane impact sliders that flood the space with natural light. The primary suite offers a private retreat with sliders that open to the lanai, a large walk-in closet, dual sinks, a soaking tub, and a walk-in shower. Step outside to your private lanai and soak up the Florida sunshine by the large in-ground pool. The privacy fence ensures your outdoor oasis remains serene and secluded. Boating enthusiasts will love the new 10,000-pound boat lift and quick access to the Gulf, making every day an adventure on the water. The 2-car garage features epoxy flooring and a built-in electric vehicle outlet, catering to your modern lifestyle. In a prime location, this home offers easy access to Residence Beach, the new Publix Plaza, the YMCA, and a variety of restaurants and shops. Whether you're looking for a relaxing retreat or an active lifestyle, this Marco Island gem has it all. Come and relax and enjoy life in sunny Florida. I'm Tina Morocco with Premier Sotheby's International Realty. Contact me at 239-778-6817.